Hi, welcome to the channel. It's been a long time we have uploaded the video and we are back here again. And this time we are here with some interesting project known as TinyTyper using ESP32 S3. This project is going to help us assist in typing and mimic like a human and will act like a HID. And this will also demonstrate the ability of an ESP32 S3 to act like a keyboard and so. Let's have a look into the project, how exactly it works. So here we are into the page, and let us say I proceed here to type something. So I'll just type or let me get some text being copied from some resources. I have some text being copied up, okay. So I'll just paste it here and then try to type this, and I'll also type this again in the same page, okay. So I'll go ahead and start typing it here and have a look at this. It starts typing it there. So I'm not doing anything. My hands are here. I'm not really typing anything out there. It is just typing the way it has been programmed up to. And if you look at this thing, it is also giving some errors and so on. This is what the TinyTyper does. So we have the ESP32 S3 along with us here. There's a minor little by Seed Studio, and this is doing it. So it's great to see that it is working. So let's get into like how is one run through and how you can make one. Here's a quick code snippet out there. Now let's see what does the code actually tells us here. So the code in itself is pretty simple and straightforward. So what we have done is like we have used this ESP32S3 out here, and along with this we have used some libraries out there, Wi-Fi, web server, USB.H and USB HID keyboard, FreeRTOS and SPEFs and so on. We're using this FreeRTOS because I just want to have two different tasks handling this, because we have two cores in the ESP32 and then we can make use of it. SPEFs to have some storage of like what is the typing speed, what is the amount of errors it has to do it and so on. I'm initializing the USB HID keyboard, and this is the SSID and the password I'm given for the access point. Now we are starting the web server on the server port 80, and we have some variables being defined up there, and then max typing speed, the minimum typing speed, the wrong percentage. These are the set of values. We can later change this from the front page, okay. Now we have this HTML for the web page out there. This is the complete HTML web page what you have just seen there, okay. And proceeding further, we have some functions like type text, which is mimicking the human typing. Again, if you look at this, you had a varying speed on which it types, and again some random delays so that it is mimicking a human out there, and then also adding occasionally some errors, that is it just makes some backspaces and so on, so that it is mimicking like a human, so that there are some errors. And so if you don't want to have it, we can just eliminate this function, these delays and so on, and then handle to type a task, that is typing task here. And then this is the other task which is handling the Wi-Fi task here, that is starting the hotspot and the access point, and then making sure that everything is being stored in the SPEFs, okay. And these are the pages: type, pause, stop, save settings, and get settings. And I'm making it on a specific redirect all the requests to this particular page, that is 192.168.4.1. The reason so is once you upload the code with this, you no longer be able to see this particular ESP32 being available on this device. If you look at this, I have ESP32 being connected here, but if you go back here, you don't see that being active. The reason so is this is now acting as a HID. So HID device it has been acting as a HID, so no more it is, you'll be able to see this. Yeah, the way you can do is, you want to upload it again, so press the boot button here, and then remove the data cable, press the boot button and insert it. It will go into the boot mode and you'll be able to see it. Let me just have a look at this. So this has the minute little buttons here, that side here. I'll just press the boot button here, and if I just insert this, you should be seeing this thing like this. It has been highlighted. It has been detected now, okay. Until now it has not been detected. So now it is in a boot mode. If I remove this now and then try to get this back here, no more you'll be able to see this available to you here, because there's no more detected. It is in a HID mode out there. Then we are starting the server serial begin, that is starting the serial communication at 11.5200 out there with a delay of 1000 to make it stabilizing it. And here are the tasks which are being created: Wi-Fi task on a with a priority number 1, and this been handled in the core 1 here. Similarly, typing task again with the priority 1 and been handled in the core 0. And so you see this, we're making utilizing this 2 cores, so they all run they both run simultaneously without trying to, like, to make it much more stable and to make the use of my dual core thing what we have in the ESP32. Then we have a white loop doing nothing, and then we have a handle root which is handling this root path out there, and then the form submission, then the pause and stop commands handling the settings and getting the settings and so on, saving the settings, loading the settings, and so this is what the code actually contains, and this is everything we have into it. Once we upload this, uploading is pretty simple. Just make sure that you put this in a boot mode, and this happens after you have uploaded it. Like if you're just taking the ESP32 S3 and then trying to do it, this will work perfectly fine. But once you have uploaded that and it reboots, it goes into HID, and that's where you have to press the boot mode and then connect the cable so that it is turning on in a boot mode. So once done with this, we are again good to go ahead, and let's see what happens. So now I'll go back here and then try to load the page, same page here. So I'm in the same page here. I'll refresh this and this will not load now because I am not connected to the same TinyTyper. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. I'll just quickly connect to TinyTyper here, and then this page should load perfectly fine. So this is now connected, and it just got loaded. Okay, it's worked perfectly fine. So here we go. We have enter paragraph, and then I can type, pause, clear, stop, and so on. This is to let me just paste something pretty simple. Okay, and start typing it here. I'll click here. So let me reload this. If you look at this, it just got disconnected, and that's the reason it was not really typing it. Let me just connect it. It just got connected here, and I'm able to load the page. I'll just paste the same type here, and then I'll try to erase this quickly so that I can just have a look at this. Here it goes, and it starts writing it, and it is what we are expecting to have it. Let me try to pause it. It just got paused. When I resume it, it again resumes out there. I can also clear it if you want to clear the buffer so that I don't want to have anything. Again, I can just click on pause. It just got paused up here. Just pause here, and then I can again resume it back. It really works. I can stop it. It'll just stop it. I can clear it. Clears it, everything, and pause it. Stop this, clear. So stop. I hope you love. Let me know in the comments like what else can you do on some interesting uses by Typer. The name what I've given you different. Maybe we can use this as an hot. There are many scenarios and commands you can use with this. So the code for this project would be given in the description. You can go ahead and then check out that, and do like and subscribe to the channel, and share with others. I'll see you in the next one.